What's up, everybody? Welcome back. Today we are going to go through a low back mobilization with the peanut. This is going to be a great way to open up those little joints that are in the lower back, get them moving, get them back to where you want them to be. If you have any issues going forwards, especially going backwards, have that stiffness, that pain, especially at end range, this should be your go-to. This is going to be the main one that you're going to do. We are going to start off on the ground. I'm going to have something in front of me. I'm going to use the stall bars on this to where I can prop my feet on them if I need that little bit of extra added pressure going through my low back. If you're just starting off with this though, start off on the floor. The harder the surface, the more aggressive it's going to be. If it's already a little too much, go put the peanut on a yoga mat, something like that. It'll take a little bit of pressure off of that peanut. So we're going to start off just nice and easy. Peanut is going to go just right on the sides of our low back. So those little spinous processes, those little bumps that are on the back, is going to go right into the middle, into that gap. And then we're just going to kind of roll a little bit through there. So starting high, starting low, wherever you kind of feel like you're most limited, that's kind of where you're going to go, maybe a little bit above that. You're going to kind of try and just sink the hips down a little bit. And then we're just going to add just that little rock side to side. That's going to be kind of our starting place. Feel like you have a little more issue on the right, a little more on the left, you can kind of just sit there and just rock on those sides individually to try and get that pressure. If you want to move down a little bit, just kind of slide yourself. Same thing. Go through those little bit of motions. Should be about a minute or two here, just kind of hanging out, trying to feel the back out, feel where you're limited. From there, if you need a little bit extra, you need a little bit more, you can go a little bit closer and you can prop your feet up onto something. That pressure is then going to go down into low back a little bit more. Same type of thing, we're just going to add that little bit of rock right or left just to try and get everything moving. If you want to move spots, you can. There's no real right or wrong way to do this. Just go by feel. If it hurts a lot, stop. Feels uncomfortable, you're probably at the perfect spot, and just kind of keep hanging out there, keep rolling. The closer you get your heels up to your chest, the more aggressive it's going to be. The lower the heels are, or the more on the ground they are going to be, the less aggressive it's going to be. The more you're going to get out of it is going to be at whichever level you feel like you are at. If you're too aggressive, it might piss off the back. If you're not aggressive enough, you might not get those changes that you want to see in the back. So really try and find that nice motion. I really like this for all of those joints. If you want to use it as a rollout, you definitely can go to the wall and actually use the peanut to roll out those little back muscles and get those to calm down. If you like what you see, make sure you like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also, we'll keep bringing you videos, keep you living an active and healthy life.